unboxing of my Hover Pro. I didn't go for the max. I don't really need 8K, and I'd rather have a steady 4K 60. This was on Indiegogo as part of their, I suppose we call it a Kickstarter. And yeah, I just want to give you kind of, I suppose, the unboxing bit first. I'll take it out for a test ride and, you know, and see how it goes and, you know, see what it can do. But just wanted to tell you in the box. Now, I got the, I think it was called the Cycle Pack, and it should include the X1 Pro drone, 2 additional batteries, beacon, and some various other bits and pieces. So yeah, I got the cycling combo. A whole list of stuff there. So it says here HoxerX1 Pro, easy carry bag, USB cable, multifunction carry bag, charging hub, smart battery ×2, power adapter, beacon. Beacon I'm interested in because that allows you to follow the beacon rather than just the person, and I think tracking hopefully will be a lot better. Handlebar mount for mounting it on either handlebars for a bike or various other things. Magnetic clip for on yourself, magnetic adapter mount, ND filters, and docks. So hopefully I should have all of that in there. So yeah, let's go. Looks really well. Stuff is well packed by the looks of things. So let's see what we got first. In 2 little packs. Okay, that's cool. Let's keep going that. And yeah, 2 packs of stuff. We'll come back to that in a minute. It's got a really nice premium sort of fill on the box. Hover Air X1 was good. It's definitely served its purpose. I sold mine on to put towards this because this should be more than what I need. We're going from the kind of normal cardboard boxes that the X1 came in to something like this. It just, so far, it's got a premium kind of feel to it. Again, really nice. It's kind of just embossed kind of Hover logo on there as well. There we go. HoxerX1 Pro, not the Pro Max. The Pro Max has got an additional, I think, bit of tracking on the back there, and it's 8K. But this, again, this is what I liked about it. You could fold it up like that, and it's still very much pocket size compared to the X1. It feels a tiny bit heavier than the X1, but not by much, and it's still palm size, which is amazing. It does look really good. Let's see what else is in the box. Read manual first. Documentation. Oh, that's the little pouch bag to put your Hover in. There we go. So USB-C cable again. Really nice. Just a really good premium kind of quality box. So we've got power adapter. Not really going to open that, but you get the point. It's power. Charging case. Looks quite similar to the previous one. I believe the batteries are bigger, slightly bigger, and they last longer. There we go. So two batteries already into the charging block. A strap for the carry case. Then we've got the beacon. We'll open that in a second. Beacon magnetic mount adapter. So that's something where you attach to like your clothes and things like that to have the beacon, so you don't have to literally hold it. So I'll open that at a later date. ND filters, which is a really nice touch on for the drone. So that's really cool. And then we've got a handlebar mount, and you could probably see in the picture there, it's like the typical kind of GoPro type connection. So we'll check that out at a later time. I will note as well, I've also comes with a battery already in, so I've got 3 batteries in total, which is brilliant. Plenty of running time on here. Cables and charging straps by the looks of it. And that looks really cool. Tiny little beacon. Now, I didn't get the kind of the joystick sort of thing where you can turn this into a controller, but you can use the phone as that. But I was more interested in this and the drone itself. The combination of these two things should allow me to track myself on the unicycle a lot quicker and a lot more accurate. So yeah, thanks for watching. More videos to come on the HoxerX1 Pro. I can't wait to get out and try this out. Thanks guys, bye.